In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Co-op Bank mobile app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so this tutorial is geared towards Android smartphone. So if you have an Android smartphone, then let me show you how you can do it. So to download Co-op Bank mobile app on your Android smartphone, all you need to do is to go to Google Play Store and tap on it. Now from Google, head to search here, or you can use the search option up here, and then just search for Co-op Bank like that. And you can see you have options here, Co-op Bank app. Now if you tap on it, it will take you to these two options. Now the first one is the Co-op Bank mobile banking app, and we have also the mCoop Cash app. For case you want to download this Co-op Bank mobile app to link with your account and transact via mobile. To do so, go ahead and tap on this, and you can see it is from Cooperative Bank of Kenya. And at the time of recording this, it has over 8,000 reviews with a star rating of 4.7. Currently, this app is over 67 MBs and it has over 100,000 downloads. To proceed, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this Cooperative Bank mobile app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your app, and here it is, Co-op Bank app. From here, proceed and tap on it to open, then enter your details to start using this app. So if you're new, go ahead and register, or you can log in if you already have an account. So that's how you can download and install Co-op Bank mobile app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.